90 seconds of brightness. Here we go with a cool thing. We're going to take a bath today. So you either take a foot bath or a bath. The reason for it is to release the tensions and just relax and release also all the energies of the day that you've caught all over the place, you know, electromagnetic energy, people's energy, your own energy that you don't need anymore. That's it. You know, when we take a shower at the end of the day, how does that feel? Feels like, oh, everything is gonna get washed out. Feels so good. So here's what I do. You first start with Epsom salt, and then you can use also baking soda, actually, and then you put some essential oil. That is an option. Baking soda is also an option. Epsom salt is like the core thing. It's awesome. And then you mix it all. Then you pour the water. I pour hot water, and then I put my feet in, and I just do nothing. You know, just relax. Just be in the present moment. Just let all of this water, special water, soaking all and sucking actually all the energy that you don't need anymore. Just put the intention here and just let it go. Let it breathe. Let breathe and let it go. Enjoy that moment. I do it for about 20 minutes. Same for a bath. If you rather have a bath, a full bath, do the same thing with a bath, and you have takes more time. That's it. Then what you do is that after that you pour the water of your foot bath in the toilet bowl, and you take a shower, a quick shower, or if it's just a foot bath, just to rinse your feet with fresh water, and preferably cold water, just to rinse it out. Just not make sure nothing gets stuck on you, like rinse it out. And that's it. 20 minutes, that's all you need for that. And just enjoy. Just try it, enjoy, and let me know how does that feel. Bye.